Well, we decided to move the bulls, but they don't want nothing, no part of it. They want to just fight. Oh, you old nags. Holy smokes. Hi, old boys. Well, you coming to join us? All right, you better cut them off. Come on, Dingleberry. Get up in there. They don't like your trailer. Forget about that. Get in there. Get up in there. Hey! Boys like herding cats. Get in there. Tip them up. Good job, guys. Atta boy. All right, so we're down here to Confluence. Me and Leon have got this all leased in the Confluence Heritage Foundation. So we're gonna check out all the fences and probably put some critters in here this winter. First thing next spring, we're gonna harrow it up, plant it with grass seed, see if we can turn this place green. And then we'll bring you along for the ride. Once we get that all done, see what we end up with. We'll ride around down to the bottom here and I'll show you the other half. It's about 30 some odd acres. So there's the other half of Confluence. Mules are all excited about something. Don't know what. Pretty barren. Barren right now. See what we can do to it. There it is. So look at the difference in these two waters where the confluence is. You've got the alkali spring water from the hot springs, and then you have the crystal clear water from the mountains coming together in the river. Yeah. He's such a nice guy to bring my mule back. This saw's not very straight anymore. How many years have I been packing that around though? Oh, she didn't go very far.